So today we're going to focus on shoulders. We're going to hit some other parts of the body, but we're going to heavily focus on kind of relaxing and softening the shoulders, getting a nice little stretch in there. So to start, we are going to simply come to a seated position, okay? And we're going to start with our breath a little bit, just to kind of help us relax and calm down. Just going to help us stretch a little bit later. So sitting comfortably, I'm sitting flat, but you could easily sit on maybe a blanket underneath your bottom, let the knees stay low. We want to get the hips higher, or even a bigger cushion or bolster would be great. So again, sitting comfortably, okay? And go ahead and close your eyes or just stare off, and then place a hand on your belly and a hand on your chest. And what we're going to do is just start to notice our breathing, just see if we can kind of feel how the belly and the chest rise as we inhale. Notice how they collapse as we exhale. We're going to keep watching, keep noticing the breathing. We're going to start to slow our breathing down. Now we're going to inhale, we're going to push the belly a little bit down and out. As we exhale, we're going to gently pull the belly in towards the spine. Again, we inhale, pushing the belly a little bit down and out. Exhale, pull the belly in. Again, inhale, down into the belly. Exhale, pull the belly in. Inhale, down into the belly. Exhale, pull the belly in. Inhale, down into the belly. Exhale, pull the belly in. Inhale to the belly. Exhale, belly. We're going to bring the hands down onto the knees or thighs. We're going to move a little bit now as we breathe. So now as we inhale, we're going to kind of lean forward, pull the shoulders back. And as you exhale, you're going to start to rock back, round the back, the shoulders, chin towards the chest. Inhale, we come forward, leaning, pulling the shoulders back. Exhale, rocking back, chin towards the chest. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, and go back. A couple more times like that. Inhale, forward, starting to exaggerate a little bit. Exhale, and go back. One more like that. We'll inhale forward, exhale, and we'll go back. Now as we inhale, we're going to lean over to the left a little bit, come forward and around, and then back and around. We'll kind of round. Inhale, we come forward and around. Exhale, back and around. Loosening up here. Inhale, forward and around. Exhale, back and around. We're going to change direction. Still moving with the breathing. Inhaling forward. Exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. We'll do one more like that. Inhale and exhale back to the center. We're going to take our shoulders and just kind of roll them up and back. Not too strenuous, but we're using a little bit of strength in there to get the shoulders loose, pulling them up and back. Do that a few more times. I'm going to start to alternate them. Think about the shoulders just being kind of loose. Let's change directions. Good. Now we're going to do a couple together. And we'll come back. Now we're going to turn our head side to side. Keep our chin kind of level. Turn over to the side, to the other side. And we'll keep going like that. When you get to the end, it's a little bit of a stretch. So we don't force it, but we just gently get a little stretch in for the neck. Good, let's do one more to each side. And we're gonna come back to the center. Now we're gonna do a little stretch for the breathing. Now we're gonna use a little bit of control. So what I'm gonna have you do is I want you to inhale into your belly. I want you to tighten your belly a little bit, 20-30% of your kind of max capacity. Now keep that tension on. Imagine it radiating into the rest of the body, so you're kind of stiff, okay? You're gonna breathe normal, but keep that tension on. Now you're gonna tilt your head forward. Now you're gonna try to keep your chin nice and low to start, and you're gonna imagine scraping your collarbone as you look over to the left. I look to the left, little pause, I tilt my head back, I bring my chin high. I'm looking over to the right. I tilt a little bit, my chin goes low. Again, scraping the collarbone, looking to the left, tilting back, chin comes high, looking to the right, chin goes low, looking to the left, tilt the head back, chin comes high, tilting a little bit, chin comes low, we'll come back and we'll relax. We'll do the same thing the other side, keeping that tension on, having that control, we're exaggerating that movement. So we'll take that inhale to the belly, okay? Tighten your core, tighten your belly a little bit. Imagine that radiating out through the body, nice normal breathing, tilt the head forward, okay? Think about scraping the chin as you turn over to the right. Tilt the head back, bring the chin high. You're looking over to the left, chin goes low, scraping along, looking to the right. Tilt the head back, chin comes high, looking to the left, chin goes low. One more like that, we're looking to the right. Head tilts back, chin comes high, nice and low, and relax. Good. Good. We're going to do some rolls with the shoulders. Let's actually bring the hands on the shoulders. And we'll kind of make some circles here, rolling them around. Really focus on your elbows. So it's the elbows that are making big circles. A couple more like that. We're going to change directions. Still big circles with the elbows. Good, then we're going to come back. Now from here, we're going to do a little stretch. I'm going to let this arm kind of hang, okay? Kind of let it be loose. I'm going to take this hand, I'm going to bring it up to the side of my head. Now I'm going to tilt my head over. I'm keeping my back a little bit straight. My chin's pretty much straight, and then I'm tilting over, letting this shoulder be loose. And I'm just gently opening. I'm not pulling, but I'm tilting the head and then using my hand just a little bit, trying to let this shoulder drop. We're going to hang out here. We're going to breathe in through the nose into the belly. Breathe out the belly. Breathe in belly. Breathe out belly. Breathe in belly. Breathe out belly. Now as I inhale, I'm going to switch. I'll take my other hand. Again, find my head. Hands hanging, shoulders hanging, tilting. Staying up upright with the back and the spine. Little gentle pulling as I inhale to the belly. Exhale the belly. Inhale belly. Exhale belly. Inhale belly. And exhale belly. As I inhale, I'll come back up. Okay, I'll bring my hands down. We're going to do the back of the neck now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit up a little upright. Chin a little bit tucked, very important. I'm going to bring my hands up. I'm going to interlace my fingers. I'm going to place them behind my skull, kind of at the base of my skull. Okay? Chin tucked, again, very important. Keep that chin tucked. And I'm going to slowly push the back of my head into my hands, keeping my chin tucked. And I'll keep that pressure on, and I'll hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to relax. I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to tuck. As I'm pushing, I continue tucking. And we'll start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we'll relax. Good, we'll do it one more time. Tucking, starting to push, slowly increase how hard you're pushing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then relax. Good, we're gonna roll the head around, just making some kind of loose circles here. Change directions. I'm going to come back. We're going to do a movement for the shoulder. Really important movement that we want to do, and we're going to kind of move the shoulders through their joint. What I'm going to do is I'm going to inhale to the belly, and I'm going to do that same tightening we did before, and then I'm going to pull my shoulders up. Okay, I'm going to keep them up. I'm going to pull them back, keep them back, pull them down, keep them down, push them out. And then I'll repeat that. It's almost like you're taking them through like a square, okay? You kind of have to use the muscles to get them to go through. I'm not forcing it like 100%, but I'm using those muscles to actually protract. I'm throwing, or I should say pulling my shoulders forward. I'm pulling them up, I'm pulling them back, and I'm pulling them down. My back is staying pretty rigid. It's just happening in the shoulders, okay? So we'll go ahead and start. We'll take an inhale into the belly. start to tighten, right? 20, 30%, so you're kind of rigid. Think about that radiating out into the legs, the back, the chest, the arms even. From here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my shoulders down, okay? I'm gonna pull them back. I'm gonna lift them up. And I'm gonna push them out. Remember, we're exaggerating. Down, back, up, out. Again, down, back, up, out. One more. Down, back, up, out. I'm gonna relax. We'll do it again. Okay. Inhale into the belly. Hold the breath. Tighten, tense. Okay. Radiate that out to the hips, the legs, the back, the chest. Keep that tension out. We're normal breathing. Now I'm going to pull the shoulders up, then back, then down, and then out. Remember, exaggerating. Up, back, down, out. Focus on just the shoulders moving. Up, back, down, out. One more like that. Up, back, down, out, and relax. Good. Good. Let's come, actually, let's do this one. We're going to take our hands and we're going to place them behind us, okay? Now, you can either just put the hands behind you, you could even kind of reach them back. If you can, interlace your fingers, okay? And then I'm going to draw my elbows together and I'm going to lift my hands a little bit, okay? I'm going to hold this here. I'm going to inhale into my chest. Exhale. Inhale, belly up into the chest. Exhale. Inhale, belly, chest. Exhale. Inhale, belly, chest. Exhale. One more like that. I'm drawing my elbows together, lifting the hands. Inhale. Exhale, I'm going to relax. Good. Let's come over onto hands and knees. Okay. Now from here, I'm going to do what's called cat-cow. Okay, I'm going to take my time though, and I want you to really focus on what you're doing. So I'm here. I start with this kind of flat, neutral back. Now I'm going to start to tilt my pelvis, kind of dipping my hips and my belly forward. I'm going to think about dropping my belly a little bit. I'm going to lift the chest, start to lift the chin. I'm going to come back, that flat back. I'll pause here. Now I'm going to push my hands into the floor and around my shoulders. Now think about rounding your upper back. You're pushing, middle back, and then tuck the tailbone, lower back, rounding here. Come back to that flat back. We're going to pause here. I'm going to focus on my hips. I'm going to try to tilt my hips forward. I'll start to drop the belly, lift the chest, lift the head a little bit. Good. I'm going to come back, flat back. I'm going to pause. I'm going to push into the hands. I'm going to round the shoulders, upper back, middle back, and then start tucking. I'm going to come back to that flat back. Okay, I'm going to tilt, right? So tilt the hips forward, start to drop the belly, lift the chest and the chin, shoulders are going back. I'm going to come back to that flat back. I kind of pause there. Push into the hands, round the shoulders, round the upper back, middle back, tuck the tailbone. Good. Come back to that flat back. Now bring your knees kind of wide. We're going to sink the hips back. I like to have the knees wide, makes it a little bit easier. And I'm going to come down either to the elbows, can hang out here. If comfortable, forehead to the hands, maybe forehead to the mat. Any of these is fine. Good, we're going to come back up. Now from here, we're going to do a little twist, okay? So I'm going to take this hand, I'm going to reach it up. I'm going to kind of inhale, and then as I exhale, I'm going to thread it down through. I'm going to come to this right shoulder, okay? Shoulders down. This hand is just kind of hanging out, helping me balance, okay? My hips are up, my shoulder, my ear are on the mat. I'm going to hang out here, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. We're using the belly and the nose. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more, inhale,
And then exhale. I'll slide this hand back. I'll lift myself up. I'll come back to that hands and knees. I'll take the other hand. I'll lift it up. I'll inhale, and then I'll bring it down through. I'm coming to that shoulder, into that ear. My hips are up. This hand is just helping me balance. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale into the nose, into the belly. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. I'm going to come back up. Now this time I'm going to come down onto my elbows, but I'm going to keep my hips up. Okay? And I'm going to come down to the forehead. Maybe the forehead's coming to the hands. You might be comfortable with the forehead on the mat. My hands are kind of reaching out. Okay? Palms are down. I can just hang out like this. This is good. Okay? Or I can start to walk my fingers out a little bit more, maybe even come on the fingertips. Any of those is fine. This is going to be a little more intense. Okay? But I'm going to hang out here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. I'm going to bring the hands down. I'll kind of walk them back up. I'm going to come back. And now from here, I'm going to come to sit. Hopefully you could hear that. Hopefully I wasn't too muffled with the mic. Good. All right, we're going to do one more. We're going to take our arms out. Okay, we're going to extend them. I'm going to take this arm over, kind of wrapping it around, wrapping this other one up and around. I'm going to bring my hands, either the backs of the hands together, okay? You might be able to grab that thumb or even the fingers in the palm. I'm going to lift my hands. I'm going to keep my hands twisting and my elbows come up, hands away from the face. And we'll inhale, breathe right up into your back. Exhale. So breathe into the belly and then expand the upper back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep those hands twisted. Inhale. Keep those elbows up. Exhale. Let's do one more. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale here, and as we exhale, we'll release the arms. We'll do the other side. So other arm comes up. We wrap them around. Get the backs of the hands. Right? Maybe you can get that palm or that thumb. We twist the hands, we lift the elbows, and the hands move away from the face. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, breathing into the belly, up into the back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. We're going to relax the hands down. Let's do a little bit of rolling up and back. Let's change directions. And we'll come back. So that's it. So every day, right, especially with some shoulder pain or tension, doing a little bit of movement. Now we did a couple of different things. One thing that we did was we did that control movement with the neck, right? Whenever we're doing the breathing and we tighten, we did that breath in the belly and we tightened that and then we clenched, we kind of were stiff. We're using that to really focus on the joint. We did that with the neck one and then we did it with the shoulder ones, okay? Excellent, excellent for your joints. And then we did a little bit more loose, kind of loosening up, right? We just want to be mindful that we're getting to the shoulders and we're moving them. And we're moving them a little bit more than they used to being moved. That's why we did some of the controlled movement, is to help increase that range of motion in those shoulders. And then, of course, relax, release any tension, any pain. So that's all.